Good morning. Here we are on EURUSD, Monday, 4th on November 2024. Today is Monday, and as usual, we'll be going through. Let's start with previous analysis and what our expectation that we projected on the markets. And let's see, for quite some days now, since last week, Thursday, we've been talking about how I'm expecting this other block here to give a price reaction. I was kind of like saying, okay, this blocks first so that we can have clarity on our charts. Yes, it's supposed to come down below this level to take the price into the highs. The market was unable to do that. And on Friday, I've been holding this trade since Thursday, expecting my trade to get tapped in before the price on Friday that we might have. And that's the reason why I choose not to take this level that we have here. This one. So this level that we have here, that's the reason why I choose not to take it from the level. But it didn't give us what to make it go into the high before coming down into that level. And I talked about all the high impact news that we have being on first, and we are expecting some kind of, then I said this level is too clean for it not to give. You can see that all these things created liquidity in the market, and the liquidity was that the market was giving us is doing, and the way like it might not react to the, but the first what is it called, the first day of the month, the first week of the month is for manipulation, and anything can happen. They can generate anything, the market can generate anything to kind of mislead us against our something. But when you have a strategy and you're using your strategy, they ask you to do. And that's what I'm doing. And all the things that is happening in the market, I either classify them as manipulation against my strategy. So I really don't give much attention to it, or I don't try to force a trade or try to capitalize on it. And we created a gap, and the price was sent back to where this market picked from. So to me now, what is it called? We revising our projection in the market. So woke up to so you're having this level. After dropping my analysis on Friday, the reason why we're having this reaction during New York. And this level I talked about on week, giving us a kind of reaction. I talked about this internal structure here. I actually marked it out. I was expecting it to give a kind of price reaction, kind of give us some reaction in the market. But I was like, okay, we did have a reaction, but it's not giving us some kind of, it's not giving me some kind of validation to trust the level. But I kind of want to still stick with this one that is near to mitigation block here. So market is doing here now. We have to patiently study it and watch what it's going to do. Today is Monday, and it's also for manipulation. So what we're going to do is kind of like, okay, wait, try to see what it's going to do today through London. Then during what we are seeing, okay, as you can see, it kind of come back to react from the fair value gap that we have here and the send price of so I've got to like, okay, wait patiently to see what we can actually capitalize. I'll be taking all these old annotations out of the market so that we can try and analyze again, see what we can capitalize on. Then maybe we can move from this type of price reaction, really close it in. So like 1 to 4, I close the trade and 1 to 4. And in fact, it's very, very something to, kind of trade that we are expecting. So I'll try to remark the market because to me it's rough now. We can't take decision on this. And the second level that I have here, I guess I'm going to be taking the biscuits in the market. Depending on the type of that we have in the market, that will determine maybe I'm going to leave it or maybe I'm going to let it go, because based on what I'm seeing here, the fair value gap has been active. So to avoid action, so I'll be holding on to my monthly. So let's pick our range again. We have nothing since we've gotten our shifts, and here will be our concentration now. So based on what we have here, this is supposed to be a stronger. It has trend change. That's what suggests that okay, the major trend on daily has been transcended our market to protect, and here will be our price to some reversal and our MSS that suggests that we should focus. Market structure has shifted to the right side, so focus on the right side. I hope we are getting it. This will be our dealing range now. Today, if another bit come, change to our dealing range. So as we have it giving us a kind of what is doing that, and this is the levels that reaction. So which is let's do this way and try to monitor the kind of reaction. And that's our weekly internal structure. Let's okay. So from the reaction we are getting here, able to sustain the price and send it lower time frame. Okay, the 50% of our range dealing to send the price, expecting market to react from. And this big range that I want to send price, these imbalances here, they can kind of give reaction to the market. But the leg that this place produces is high that we have here. But something within this place can try and break the high or recalling to recapitalize. I might just be leaving my order down here to see what markets we in London today. So is our London clock. London come now. Okay, this is just 7, and it's only Frankfurt that is about to open now. And I can't really say because lately I saw this what is there? I was like, okay, it's kind of generating some reversal pattern. This low, give us a kind of flip here, and we should be able to come. Looking at it, I've taken my trade out and I've banked what can we see from here? I have this gap here, this Sunday gap, and what can we do? And if we are to go on, let's mark it on 1 hour. So that is a minor shift here. Minor shift. And a minor shift. Expecting a flip, and it was giving us that flip. I might be taking my trade from here. It's going to be a minor trade anyway. But that will be against our trade. So to take the trade. Because it's going to be against let's see what we have initial range. I know this is in set it up. So what I'm going to be doing is just let the market action from here, but waking up to this gap here, something that I'm not expecting, but this level. So, but taking a share, having this level here, this might be the one acting on the. I will do it this way. I can just take it this way, short from here, and kind of take it to the eye that we have there. So 98, which is going to be 10 pips. Risk it onto going down because we are reacting from another block. I mean, internal structure from that head, and that would be 250. That's 500, 50 pips. Let's see if that level can give us because this level that we have here back into that level. So kind of want to believe that I have a reaction to that level. So on 1 hour. So I'll quickly place the trade. Always remember to calculate your risk well before jumping into any trades. Standard loss, okay, that'll be 1. So I'll be taking the trades. The sell limits as the candle has already closed and 8947. That's our level we'll be entering from. and our stop loss will be on 90.47 and our TP on in the gap, so 8447. So let's place the trade and see. So that we can kind of be expecting price to react from that level, with what we are seeing here. Okay. Sure. Okay. 5. So I'm risking more than plan to, so I've got to like delay the order and reset because of the monthly trade was the trade that I took last. So I double my something on the trade, so I have to recalculate. 47. So okay, so we have the level there, and this so let's see, is a risk to fill them out, at least if not, since we have a very big really higher into those levels that we've marked out earlier for London session this morning. So nothing much because I've just got to order. I'm going to retain this low. This is my second order in case market traded into me up, but I'm expecting there is no mitigated, and that's the only thing we have there. But I don't expect whatever makes this level to be closed below, then automatically I know that we are shifting to, let's check what it is on 4 hour. So I'm at this level that we have here. So I'm kind of like, okay, using one thing with the 1 to 2. So if we are able to capitalize on 1 to 2, and we're expecting 40 to get it to be 1, for us to have 20% gain, we only need 20 to be 1 with 1 to 5. And with what we've gotten so far, with the success we've had with 1 to 2, and 1 to 2 giving us to the zones that we pick, giving us up to 1 to 10, 1 to 11, 1 to 7, 1 to, so we should be able to have 1 to 5, or at least if 1 to 2 of 20 of 10 got wasted, then if we have 1 to 30, if we have 30 winning trades in 100 with 1 to 5, then we can know. I believe that okay. Us more than what 1 to 30 of 1 to 2 be able to produce for us. Please minimize your something, and disclaimer, it's not a financial advice. Just setting retracement into these places to this gap pick and recalibrate and give us how this loss has been taken in the market. And that's the only thing I'm able to see, at least for now. I'm going to kind of like adjust accordingly. So let's see what the level gives to us. But kind of like, okay, expecting this to have taken this level, which this will give us 550 pips, 55 pips, and give us 1 to 5. So still the same thing. So let's I guess the trade here, so limit of EURUSD. It's the price should be 89.38, sending it lower, and stop loss remain. Take profits become 83.88. So I can just come from that in here. We can, once it's reached this level, I'm taking. Let's go to see what we've been able to see from our brother. Internal structure that I picked here, which led us to the money. I have a reclaim order block here, and I only goes above this level. I'm expecting the liquidity above this place to be taken into the into another level that I have deleted. Let's see, source position. We have this short, and okay, the gap that we have here, and like we have this place being taken out, or I have previously. But let's try and see what we can capitalize on today. We're deleting all the fresh. So let's start from daily. What can we see from here? What can we see from here? We have this level. We have this level was taken out, and the kind of reaction we are having from those places is not something that is that as a with a very kind of big reaction. But this is daily, and flip to our strong guy. But these are all our daily expectations. So that'll be our strong guy, and we're expecting this place to be rated. This will be our weak low. So far since we level, then here will be our dealing range. So that will be our dealing range. That will be our dealing. This flip that we have here is happening within the fully say that be acting on these things. So from what we are having here, okay, so we've already gotten shifts. The shift, all these things are minor shifts. Let's take them as we can consider retracement into all these levels that we have. We have this reacts from, and as we can see, we have another reaction within the level. We are reclaim other block. But as we see that the price just have this other block here, which is a newly created other block, which might be kind of sending price lower from that level. But we have all these levels here on that block, and we have these 3 legs of this level. So kind of like we use this, we are seeing with the reactions that we've gotten, and this reclaim on that block is where I'm sent price even lower. Or with the kind of even, so we have this shift here, like I said, to take it a minor shift. Yeah, trade minor, like the trend change, then with strong low, and here supposed to be on Friday, which we are expecting market to rate on a minor structure. But we have this thing. This place was protected during initial range, and it's supposed to send price above, but within this minor structure that we have here, it is strong low, which is expected to be protected. But with what is creating within this something that we can be rest assured that. But from what we are seeing, we just have to be leaving the trade that I have here. Say I have a trade running here, rather than leaving this trade to run in London session. So I guess in New York session, before New York open, we're going to come back and do some review. Because with what I'm seeing here, completed to, and to take any action, it's price trade lower. Reaction is not on it. So I guess I'm going to just let it be and moving. So like one of my trading psychology says, like it's let the trade lead and I follow. So I guess so I only react, I don't predict. I have a trade running from this reclaim other block, and it's a monthly trade. So I'm going to just any other position. I have another level here, and the minor structure being taken out. Give us a little reaction from it. Initially on Friday, before main month range played out. I want to see what this range will give to us during one with this level. Initial range, then we see what it's going to do during London. Then we can come back before New York open and see what we can recapitalize on again. So that will be all for expect a lot of rain to kind of give us some little movements. But remember, Monday is for manipulation for the weekly candle. So trade wisely. Disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. I'm not certified to do that. I'm still working on my certification, but not yet. So this is just idea. It is called idea and signal for a reason. Advice. And I'm expecting you to do this on demo accounts also. If you don't have any money you can afford to lose, just use them. We are all learning and we are still growing. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day and have a wonderful, profitable trade. Good day.